So my name is Karen Soplo. I am the founder of Awaken Studio. We primarily work with small businesses and entrepreneurs to design high-converting websites that will help our clients stand out, connect with their ideal audience, and take their businesses to the next level. Sure. So I'm the founder of the company. I started Awaken Studio in 2016, and I'm both founder, creative director, and lead a team of 3 other individuals. So we as a team are really focused on making sure our clients succeed. We see the website as a tool to help them grow their business, grow their income, but the website isn't the end-all goal. The website is there to generate new leads, to make the sales process easier for them, and we are there as their guide to really help them and see them through the entire process. So before signing up as a UserWay affiliate, I had heard about accessibility mostly because I've heard about people getting lawsuits, and I knew that it was becoming a lot more important. It makes sense why it's so important, and I wanted to make sure that my clients were protected. So I sought out a few companies, and UserWay being one of them, but coming from, didn't have too much knowledge about it, aside from, understanding that if your websites aren't accessible, similar to a restaurant, then, our clients, me and my clients, could actually get fined and could be in a lot of trouble. We sought out an accessibility solution after a few clients had come to us asking us about their websites and if they're accessible off the bat, which we know can't really happen. You can design a website, but it doesn't mean it's going to be accessible as soon as you put it live. You can do as much as you can to make it accessible, but I truly think that you really need an accessibility tool paired up with your website to truly make it accessible. Yeah, we explored some other options. I had a few calls with other leading competitive companies. Ultimately, I thought that UserWay was the best option for us. Sure. So UserWay really stuck out to us because off the bat, I understood that it's really easy to implement, and I'm a busy entrepreneur and I don't have the time to really, code in an accessibility widget or anything. And I understood that it could go live in, very, very short amount of time, which I loved. I also run an agency where we build most of our websites on Wix, and I knew that a lot of other Wix partners were using UserWay, as well as I knew that they had a partnership with Wix, so I felt comfortable and I trusted that the fact that Wix had a partnership with UserWay, then I, would probably be in good hands. And finally, after, signing up and, going through the widget myself, there's one other thing that I really loved on UserWay, and that's that I'm able to not only see the remediations made by UserWay, but actually go in and make manual fixes myself, which I didn't find on any other accessibility tool. And I think that that's something that really will bring, our websites to full accessible compliance. So I thought that that was a very cool feature, and happy to be able to implement some changes in myself. So our clients love the ease of use. I think it's a really, as I said before, such an easy tool, both for them, for us. If we ever have to go in and check anything, we can do that in a cinch. And so I think everyone is just really happy on how smooth the process is to sign up and to maintain it. So I think the UserWay team is phenomenal. They've been so helpful from the start. For my first conversation with my manager, who helped me sign up to become an affiliate, to other people on the team who've really been able to answer any questions I've had about the product. I've never had an issue getting anything I need answered. So I think the widget is absolutely amazing. It's so easy to use and really helps so many people, from the dyslexia-friendly font to the screen reader, people with visual impairment. I feel comfortable sending anyone to our websites and know that they'll be able to, understand the content and digest the information just fine with all of that the widget offers. And I also love that the widget doesn't compromise the site speed. And that was one of my biggest hesitations, just adding, a widget to our websites, that the website speed would be compromised, but I haven't seen that happen at all, which is great.